So, hello everyone. My name is Nils Edlund. I'm the CEO of Applied Nano Surfaces, ANS, and really like the music, but we are passionate about friction and wear, ladies and gentlemen. I'll tell you why. We have the global trends. We are soon 7.5 billion people on the earth, and it's just amazing to see that in Germany there are almost as many cars as there are people. So the trends are really working for us. And then, of course, we have the environmental challenges as a response to that. And as a response to those challenges, we have the legislation coming. And being consumers, we all want maintenance-free, smart products. And all these things put tremendous requirements on manufacturers of various industrial systems. And the good thing, ladies and gentlemen, friction and wear is everywhere. And that's where we come in. So we based the company around the ANS Triboconditioning, our first product, which is basically we have a patented process where we provide the process fluid on a metal surface. We press a very hard tool on the surface, press down the peaks, and the energy that is created in this contact creates a chemical reaction between the process fluid and the substrate material and creates a low friction tribo layer, which really reduces friction wear tremendously. You see 75%, 90% on the wear side, and it's very, very cost efficient. So we can provide the fluid, our process fluid. The tools looks like standard tools, but they're non-abrasive, and you can use a standard machine for these things. Throughout the years, we also developed Tricolite, which is more like a classic low friction coating. And with the good support of the Swedish Energy Agency, we also developed the Tribonite, which is patent pending, combination between heat treatment and low friction coating. So what's so great with ANS? Why do we get to run with the big dogs, as they say in America? Well, there are many ways to reduce friction and wear. You can use mechanical treatments like polishing, grinding, things like that. But with the tribofilm that we apply, we get down the wear and the friction significantly. Another alternative to do this is also the diamond-like carbon coatings, DLC coatings like PVD and things like that. You see the first steps are pretty similar. You manufacture the part, and then you have to wash it very thoroughly. You have to fixture it up. You have to put it into a PVD furnace, and you have to heat up. You have to have vacuum. You apply the coating. You reduce the heat of the parts, you can defixture it, and sometimes you need to clean it and then send it back to assembly. So it's a pretty long process compared to ours, which is basically very similar to just a standard mechanical process. And then, of course, a PVD furnace would be maybe with media and everything, €1 million investments, while with our process you can manage with €600,000. So it's a big difference for our customers. So, and we see this cost efficiency in this diagram actually. If we compared what does 1% fuel efficiency improvement cost, you can see we are a fraction of the competing solutions. And I think that's also an explanation why we get to work with these guys. We have really, really good traction with, you see, the major global leaders, which is really interesting. And great part for us is that already in the programs, the projects that we are doing with these clients, we are addressing a huge market potential of €500 million. So it's a great potential for us. The situation right now, we started in 2008, and you can see the blue bars is the number of customer projects that we are running. We started license deals in late 2014, and we have started now production. So we are looking at a really nice expansion going forward. So why am I here? We have a license-based business model. As I said, it's very nice, scalable business model. We can leverage very nicely on the programs and the client contacts that we have. It's really high margins. It's like software not being software, actually. And we're looking to be cash flow positive in 2018. So we are looking for €1.5 million as a bridge to becoming cash flow positive. And I'll be really happy to talk more about these opportunities together with you. And meanwhile, me and the team, we thank you for your attention. Thank you very much.